Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn this sheet of, I don't know what it is actually, it's some kind of plastic, but it's really floppy, as you can see. To turn that into this splitter, as you can see, and also, I don't know if you can see it on camera, I'll just show it to the other side. That side skirt. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to turn that white piece of plastic into this side skirt and this splitter. Oh, this is what the shape is like now. After I just put this piece on and then this piece, and on the other side as well. I had to use two pieces for this big part of the splitter, basically because I didn't have enough material to do it all at once, and I just put these two things on because I like them, and I thought it was better doing it off the splitter itself, because I had to bend it. You just have to heat it up and then you can easily bend it, and on the bottom it looks like this. This is just all fiberglass. It really is strong. It's like stronger than the material itself, so I don't think it's going to come loose or anything. And this is just a metal strip, also for reinforcement. Now I'm going to be wrapping this area of the splitter, because that's the part that's going to be visible, and I don't think the material is getting, I mean, if I were to spray it, I don't think the material will hold the paint very good, because it's like a really soft material, and I don't think you can properly sand it down, so that's why I chose to wrap it. And I'm going to be using carbon fiber look, because that's what I could find in a shop. It's only €2 for 1 meter on 50 centimeters, so that's why I chose for this. It's going to be high gloss 5D carbon fiber look. So yeah, I'm going to start on it now.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
this is how it's looking now. I'm just gonna take the camera. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. Of course it's not perfect since I had to use two pieces. There's some overlay right here, as you can see. Also you can kind of see where the two sheets of plastic are going together. So it's really not perfect, but it works for me. It's looking better than the white. So now I'm going to cut all the excess material, and I'm going to make sure I still have this white edge, because I'm going to color it yellow to have a yellow little line at the edge, because I have that all around my car. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'll just show you the finish product. So it turned out like this, and I'm really glad with it. It's kind of what I had in mind, so I'm just really satisfied with the result. Yeah, so I just used tire leather pen for the yellow, and then I just sprayed the clear coat over top to kind of protect it from peeling the wrap. And I already went on a drive with it, and it's good. It's holding up just fine. So I'm really glad with how it turned out. So here's another angle at it. I really think it looks good. It's really how I imagined it to look. So I'm really glad with the results. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I just installed this Mazda Speed wing. It's from an NB, so second generation Miata, MX5 actually. Yeah. So this is how it looks. It's really looking good in my opinion. It's something else. I don't think you can really see it on a lot of NAs. So yeah, I'm really glad with that. It's a little bit more classy, and I really like it. So thank you guys for watching.